and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are delving into the world of homeopathy to explore the healing properties of a remarkable homeopathic remedy that is Staphysagrria. So, derived from the seeds of Delphinium Staphisagria plant, this remedy has a unique profile and a range of applications. So, join me as we unveil the secrets and benefits of Staphisagria in the realm of homeopathy. So, let's discover Staphisagria. So, Staphysagrria is a homeopathic medicine derived from the dried seed of the plant that is Delphinium Staphisagria, commonly known as Staphysagrae. It belongs to the Ranunculaceae family. The seeds of this plant undergoes potentization process that extracts and intensifies its medicinal properties and gives a highly valuable homeopathic medicine that is Staphysagrria. Now, next we'll talk about the constitution of Staphysagrria. So, it is a suitable homeopathic medicine for the peoples who get angry easily but suppress it, followed by periodic fits of anger. Next, we'll talk about the drug action of Staphysagrria. So, this medicine has a marked action on the different parts of the body, and these include mind, eyes, teeth, urinary organs, male and female organs and genitals, back, limbs, and skin. Next, we'll talk about the clinical indications. So, this medicine is used in various diseases and symptoms. So, they are in anger attacks, suppressed anger, styes, chalazion, tooth decay, toothache, cystitis, honeymoon cystitis, warts, backache, beak erections, prostate issues, ovarian disorders, eczema, and injuries. Now, in order to make it understandable, now I will explain each and every clinical indications in an elaborated manner so that you can understand it very well. So, scope of Staphysagrria as a homeopathic medicine. So, firstly, it's used for mind complaints, for suppressed anger, fits of anger, and depression. So, Staphysagrria covers many complaints which are related to the mind. The complaint best addressed by this medicine too is outburst of violent anger. During these fits of anger, the person breaks or throws away things. These outbursts are often a result of suppressed anger over a long period of time, and eventually a person suffers a violent fit of angers that had previously remained unexpressed. Anger from originate from injustice, anything unfair or insulting. People needing this medicines are good natured but get hurt easily. They are highly sensitive and get offended easily. A history of deep guilt, humiliation, insult may also be present in those needing this medicine. This medicine also covers ailment that follows suppressed anger, shame, sexual abuse, and acute or chronic grief. So, Staphysagrria help in managing depression. Here, sadness, crying, sense of worthlessness, self-pity are well marked. Consolation worsens the complaint as there is a low self-esteem and lack of confidence. The next use of Staphysagrria is for eye complaints like styes, chalazion, nodes on eyelids. So it is a wonderful homeopathic medicine to manage eye complaints. Firstly, it can be given in cases of stye. It is a red, painful lump that forms on the outer edge of the eyelid from bacterial infections of an oil gland. In case needing it, the stye may be painful, relieved by applying cold water. It is one of the best medicine for styes that turns into hard nodes. There can be multiple styes at a given time, and besides, Staphysagrria is an infallible medicine for treating recurrent styes when one stye after another appears frequently. It is also the best homeopathic medicine for treating chalazion, which is a condition in which a painful lump forms on eyelids due to blocked oil glands. The next use of Staphysagrria is for teeth complaints, like for toothache, decayed teeth, dental fistula, dentition problems. Let's talk about it. So, Staphysagrria is an important medicine to treat cases of toothache, decayed teeth, gum swelling, dentition problems, and dental fistula. It is useful for toothache that occurs in root of teeth, decayed teeth, or hollow teeth if food particles lodged in the cavities. Person may have worsening of pain from cold drinks. Touching the affected teeth may also cause the pain. The pain may radiate to ears or the side of the head, that is temporal region. It is very suitable for managing teeth. It is very suitable for managing toothache that occurs specifically during menses. Staphysagrria works well for decayed teeth when they have dark streaks or become black. Crumbling of the teeth means breaking into small pieces may also be present. The next use of the Staphysagra is for urinary system for cystitis, honeymoon cystitis, and cystocele. So Staphysagra is quite useful for the cases of cystitis, means inflamed bladder, mostly from a bacterial infection. There is a burning in the urethra while passing urine, and sometimes it is felt even when not passing urine. Pain can occur after urination. Pressure is felt on the bladder, and the patient feels as if the bladder is not emptied completely. There is a urge to pass urine, which may be scanty or profuse. Urine passes in thin stream and at times drop by drop. It is a prominent medicine to deal with the cases of honeymoon cystitis, that is, cystitis that may arise in women after doing intercourses for the first time or after a long period of time. It is also indicated for bladder inflammations from having intercourses frequently. So, women, especially newly married and having complaints of irritable, overactive bladders, can be treated well with this medicine. Now, next use of Staphysagra is for male problems. So, many male problems can be treated with this medicine. It can help solve problems of sexual weakness, weak erections, or loss of erections from excessive sexual activities in the past. It is accompanied by weakness and pain in the back. It is mostly suited to the males who have increased sexual desires or who constantly dwell on the sexual subjects and are in a habit of excessive masturbations. Staphysagra also treat prostate issues, including prostate enlargement, prostate inflammation. Next use of Staphysagra is for female problems. So, Staphysagra treats many female disorders. It is effective in treating dyspareunia, especially in newly married women. Genitals are very painful and sensitive. It is also helpful to manage ovarian pain that may extend to the thighs. This medicine is very important to manage nymphomania, that is, excessive uncontrollable sexual desire. Female needing it think excessively of the sexual subject with an increased sexual desire. Next use of the Staphysagra is for injuries. So, Staphysagra is used to treat lacerated wounds in which skin, muscle, or the tissue is cut or torn. It is useful for the injuries from the sharp cutting instrument causing clean and cut wounds. It is also managing pain following surgery, pain after abdominal operations, and pain after or back pains. So Staphysagra has shown good result in cases of back pain. So person needing it mainly have this complaint in the morning before they rise. There may be tendencies to have back pain after intercourses. Next use of Staphysagra is for limbs. So this medicine has proven its efficacy in treating cases of crural neuralgia, that is thigh pains involving crural nerve. Other than this, it can be given for the cases of nodes on the finger joint from arthritis. Now, last use of Staphysagra is for skin complaints. So, with its action on the skin, Staphysagra is capable of treating eczema, warts, herpes, and skin ulcers. Eczema may be present on the head, face, or the ears. Eruptions covered with crust appears with a yellow fluid oozing from beneath the crust. Itching is felt in eruptions, and when scratching, burning sensation is felt. On scratching, itching tends to shift to another place. For warts, it can be used for pedunculated warts that are attached to the skin with a stalk and cauliflower-like warts. It works wonder in cases of herpes with the dry eruptions covered with the scabs, specifically on the joints, which warns on scratching. It can be given for skin ulcers with itching, burning sensation, and pain. Pain can be tearing, smarting, and shooting type. Excessive pus may be discharged that smells very offensive. So these are the various indications where Staphysagra can be used successfully. Now next we'll talk about the doses. So Staphysagra can be used from 30 Cs to 1 m potency. If using it in a 30 potency, repetition can be done frequently, but in higher potencies above 200, frequent repetition is not recommended. So that's all. In conclusion, I want to say that Staphysagra stands as a testament to the holistic approach of homeopathy, addressing both physical and emotional aspect of health. So if you find this video informative and helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell in the future. Thank you for joining us today as we explore the gentle healing powers of a wonderful homeopathic medicine, Staphysagra. We'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. And if you are suffering from any of the health issues, you can contact us for online appointments. On the screen, you can see how to contact us. So that's it for now, and thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.